Okay guys, welcome back. This is basically a continuation for the arcade cabinet. So basically what I've done is I've tidied it up a bit inside. I've now secured the power supply down, and the Pandora's box has been secured to the base. Don't worry about these cables, these are just so I can get some power in there at the minute. But my audio amp for the speakers has arrived. It's just a generic Chinese branded amplifier. Way too much power for what I need. See, it's only running these little surround sound speakers that I've attached to the cabinet. But again, it was only £10 or something like that, and it came with the audio cable to connect to the box, so bit of a bargain, not going to turn it down. As you can see for the front, very basic, just volume, bass and treble on and off. It's a 2-channel amp, but it does actually have an output for a subwoofer, so that could maybe be a little project for the future. But the main issue is I'm starting to sort of run out of space where to put things. This section here is going to have a power extension, a Pt3 plug, so basically the supply for this, the supply for the monitor, and the 12-volt supply for this amplifier. So that's going to take up to about there probably. So I'm hoping I can fit this in there, because it's a bit too big to sit up there, and I need the space on the wall here, or the inside of the box, to fit this. So basically that's going to go there. Was it that way? That will go there, and then the power brick will connect to the back, run up here, and then everything will plug in here, and I'll just use this really long extension I've got to plug into the side of the cabinet. Anyway, I'll let you hear what this amplifier sounds like. It is actually quite a meaty power amplifier, so I'll just put this game here on Ghost Pilots. Just select that one. So I don't know how well you'll hear the audio. Okay, so the audio's turned down at the minute. That's it, the audio only turned up a fraction, but it's more than enough for these speakers. So there you go. So I've got everything I need now, well, with the exception of the power brick. That's going to arrive in the next couple of days. So once I've got that, I can start looking at cutting this hole out here for the back of the power switch. And then once that's in, everything should be ready to go. But in case anybody's interested in this little amplifier, there it is there. Hongxing 2.1. There's a box for it. Got this off Amazon. £10.99 I think it was. It's very cheap. It's actually a car. They're advertising it for a car amplifier. I think it's something stupid like 2 times 150 watt. And considering the back of these speakers say they're 15 watt, it's a bit excessive, but you know, for £15 I'm not going to, for £10 I'm not going to complain. The build quality's not the greatest. As you can see here, it's a bit loose, but hey, it'll do this. Once it's in there, it's never getting removed again anyway. So okay guys, again hopefully in the next few days I'll have the have another part up showing you the extension cable going in and everything else getting wired up. Okay, thanks guys.